For the majority of the house, we installed Cali bamboo, mute step LVP, and Classic Acacia. We also used their underlayment, which is the green stuff you see there, to add a little extra sound barrier and the moisture barrier. This is the easiest click-together floor I've ever installed. Their mechanism for connecting the boards is very strong, but also allows you to take boards apart if you mess something up, which is really crucial to me, especially as I was learning how to do this flooring process for the first time. How it works is you tuck the long edge of the board underneath the previous row to get that part to hook, and then the seam where the two short sides touch, you tap together with a rubber mallet. And that's it. Then the boards are connected solidly, and it is completely waterproof, which is amazing. My brother came and helped me as well, give me some tips, especially for these end pieces where you have to cut a shorter amount. His tip is to take the board you need to measure against, flip it upside down, mark that spot where it would connect, go to your saw, or I had the a chopper type thing, cut that line. Now when you bring it back, the piece that needed to go on that end is going the correct direction and gave you the right gap against the wall, which for this one, 1/4 inch spacing on the edges. And then your remaining chunk can start your next row. It helps to minimize waste as well as start that stagger pattern really naturally. So once I got my rhythm, this went so incredibly fast. I started here in the office. It was a good practice room to work out all the kinks before moving on to the rest of the house. But some of the bedrooms downstairs, I laid the entire room in 45 minutes. It is such a nice floor and definitely worth considering and looking into. Even my daughter was able to help with a lot of these steps, and so that's how easy it goes together. I've got lots more videos with the installation of this flooring in all the other rooms, but while you're waiting, go and check out my other videos, such as the vinyl floor installation, the kitchen cabinets, and even the demo and cleanup from early on.